Twitter. There's so much talk about Twitter.
Ooh,
Tell
Twitter.
me what you
There's
know. Yes.
so much. There's so much room for growth. There's much more room for growth with Twitter. For Twitter, what happens is a lot of people still have not moved into that space as yet. So depending on your market, there's some people who they're not on Twitter.
Yeah.
So we're just now slowly seeing that uptick of people just moving into Twitter. So now, so the innovators, they would have led the way, obviously, because anything that's new, they're in there, and so they would have been in there from Jump Street. And then now you have the early adopters and, of course, the early majority who are now just moving on to the platform. So you still have room for the late adopters, and not to mention the bunch of laggards who probably don't even they're not even on Twitter, on Facebook yet, much more to get into Twitter, which is more fast-paced, more engaging, real time. So there is a whole lot of scope there for growth. And I think that is definitely where a lot more companies are looking to grow. The fact that there is now, there is an increasing number of people migrating to that platform, because it would have been people who were you're tired of Facebook, so now you're looking for somewhere else to go, tired of the same old, so they're now looking to try out new things. So definitely a whole lot of uptake, and a whole lot of opportunities there for businesses to capitalize on Twitter.
Beautiful. Instagram, Snapchat. I know young people are there, but people have to assess their business objectives, right? Before making.
Of course.
Yep.
Before. So one of the things definitely is, for businesses, you can't be everywhere, obviously. So it's about trying to find where your people live. I mean, where are they talking? Where are they having their community and their groups? One of the things with Instagram is you find that a lot of people are doing more live streaming and more engaging their audience using that platform, more so than even Facebook, I would say, in my opinion. A lot more people find that Instagram is a place that they go more for, like, a live stream. I mean, since the pandemic, you have a lot of live streaming going on Facebook as well. But from the company point of view, I think I see a lot more of that happening on Instagram. The influencers, the entrepreneurs, the coaches, that's where they go to have their lives and doing their thing. And so you find that a lot of businesses are really trying to capitalize on that, but it depends again on where your consumer lives. Where are my customers? Where is my tribe? Are they on Facebook? Then maybe I need to do my live stream on Facebook. Are they on Instagram? Then Snapchat, we still, I don't know, still nothing much happening there, in my opinion. Again, I have not seen anything apart from, you have the young people who are still doing their filters and having a whole lot of fun. But then here comes TikTok.
Yes.
Like just killing it. So you still have, there's still room, because I mean, Snapchat is still this place for the millennials where they live, and they still their little safe haven. Not so much of these old folks are on it anyway, but they're catching on, and it really have some cool features in there that you can use. But you will find, though, that of course a lot of migration now is going on to TikTok.
Yes.
People, that one is growing so rapidly, and now you find that it's increasing faster, at a faster rate than even how Snapchat took off, because it has so many cool features that it makes it literally impossible for you not to want to go on. How you can go and recreate your stories and be funny at the same time, and really even being serious and funny at the same time. So it's just such a cool platform. I end up loving it. If I cannot I mean, I go and I, you know, I would look around and see some of the videos that people do, and it's crazy. You know, when Johnny also told me about, you know, how crazy his experiences, Chocolate Johnny, how you know, his experiences being on Snapchat, sorry, on TikTok. But again, I'm not saying it's for everybody, but you know, it's just to kind of find where your tribe lives and how best to serve them.
And in my mind, I did try TikTok. You know,
Are you on TikTok?
Yes, it's an incredible opportunity. I mean, but with every platform, you have to be serious about it. Okay.
Yeah, 100%.
Completely consistently embrace it. Otherwise, right? Yeah.
Absolutely. You know, you are 100% correct on that. And I have a friend who I find it served him very well. He's in the entertainment space. So they developed a series during the pandemic called The Bartender. Giving a shout out to my Jamaican friend Orville Hall, Dance Expressions. And they developed a series which they put on YouTube. And he was right out the gates with TikTok. And so he's been able to really use those two platforms very well to leverage you know, his content. And he's like literally he's killing it. Very, very, because you know they're in the entertainment space, so they help other people get their groove on in terms of learning how to dance Jamaican, dance to reggae, which is absolutely phenomenal. And I've been asking him to teach me to dance, and I went to the studio. But again, I love the idea of wanting to dance, but you know, with so many competing priorities, I guess I just still don't know how to dance yet. And he was at the GDMS summit that we had in 2019. They actually performed because we don't do nothing without having some kind of entertainment in there. And I'm sure we'll get to talk more about that as well, Irene. But my point is that, you know, the people in the entertainment space can literally use TikTok to really help to level up their game.
Beautiful,
and their
beautiful.
engagement.
So
Yeah.
we're moving.
So I think it really, if you're in the entertainment space, I would definitely say give TikTok some attention.
Exactly.
Definitely.
So
That's my advice that I would say.